Well, alrighty everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, the thing is, I've been getting a lot of questions from everyone in real life and even in comments on different videos. Like, they've been asking me, how do I get confidence and how do I sound like a native? How do I get an accent? So, the thing is, confidence is not really something that you can get overnight, right? I didn't have any confidence when I was learning English in the beginning, and I even had an accent in the beginning, and I still have an accent. But the thing is, when it comes to accent, I don't really care about it. I had an Indian accent, like like a typical Indian accent, and not that I hate my accent. It's just that I always wanted to be better, right? And I didn't have any confidence. Like when I would hear people talking, I would always assume that they're so good and they have a lot of confidence, but I don't really have any confidence. So here's what I did. Now, confidence is something that you can't really get overnight, right? So I started to practice. All right, practicing is really, really important. Start from the beginning, start from zero. Even though you don't really know, just say it. All right. So the first thing that I did was I started to talk in English, right? It doesn't matter if I can't really speak in English, I will use English words, right? Like small sentences, right? I started to do that. And once I did that, I got a little bit of confidence, right? And then I wasn't done yet because I want to do something different, right? And then I started to practice even more. Like I started doing shadowing, right? It's like one of the exercises. It's really important. I made a full video about it. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can check out. So it's like one of the exercises that you do in order to improve your accent, like your target accent, any accent you wanna get an American accent, a British accent, it doesn't matter. You can achieve that. So shadowing is really important, right? Now when it comes to talking, right? If you don't really have anyone at the beginning, well, I didn't have anyone at the beginning. And even if I had people, I wasn't really comfortable enough to talk to them because I was really shy and I didn't have any confidence. So the only thing that I did was I would stand in front of the mirror and talk to myself. That's what I did. I would literally stand in front of the mirror and talk to myself. If I didn't have a mirror, I would just open my mobile camera and, record myself that I'm speaking. And I even started to use some AI application like Character AI. And I even use Discord. Discord is like an application where you can interact with people, right? So, yeah, you can't show your face if you don't want it. I mean, you could show your face if you want, but if you don't want it, that's fine. You can just talk to people, right? In voice channels. So, yeah, that's what I did in the beginning. It was really helpful. So, the whole idea is that you need to be confident, right? You got to start somewhere, even though you have zero confidence, but you got to push yourself. Unless you push yourself, you can't achieve anything, right? Just 1%. Try to give your 1% in terms of confidence. And once you do that, you're going to realize that, you're doing something. But that's how it is. Starting somewhere is the most important thing. Like give yourself an initial push. That's all it requires. And once you do that, you're going to realize that, you're achieving something. In the beginning, you'll be confident. You would start to talk. And then once you're confident enough to talk, you would, you know, take it a step ahead, like getting an accent. And I'm not really saying that, I completely got rid of my accent. I still have an accent. I still have an Indian accent. But still, I'm in the verge of improving and I'm doing it like slowly, like step by step. So the only thing is start somewhere, right? Start doing the proper exercise. If you're not doing anything, if you're just like, yeah, I would just start to talk, right? So that's what it is. That's all it requires in order to become confident and, become better, improving yourself. So if you guys like the video, hit subscribe and like the video. Until then, have a good one.